We're back, Knife Nuts, and today we'll be talking about the Gerber, pronounce it how you want to. We'll call it Ayako, or Ayako, or Ayako, doesn't matter, IA. Start off by giving you a close-up of it here. This is the green aluminum one with the gray blade. And this is the gray or silver aluminum with the black blade. These are front flippers from Gerber. Give you a little bit of specs. These Gerbers are 8 inches overall, 3.5 inch on the blade length. Has a nice cutout. The cutting edge is a little bit more due to the rounded front, 3.625. Blade material, 7CR17 MOV. Has a plain edge, flat grind. Of course, they come with aluminum handles. See-through chassis, and they are frame locks. Has a stainless steel clip. They are set up for right hand tip-up carry. Excuse me, tip-down carry on these. That's correct. They weigh in at about 3.67 ounce. The handle's about 1 inch wide. Has a little bit of jimping on the back of the blade. Overall, nice little Gerber carry here. Let's go ahead and show you how it cuts. As you can see, it cuts pretty smoothly. Will be interesting to see how this knife cuts the cardboard here. It does seem to have a very sharp tip. I bet that sucker would even work backwards. Look at there. So nice. That's interesting how that works. Very smooth on the down cuts. Comes to plunge cutting. It does pretty well there. Here's spear cutting. Gives you pretty good accuracy due to the blade shape. Helps you control the blade so much easier. And if you just kind of use the front of it, it actually cuts a little bit smoother. Let's go ahead and clean that up. Of course, since they are front flippers, you can open with thumb. Of course, I'm trying to do this backward with my hand facing you. Or you can flip them from the front. Oops. Let's grab the gray one. Give you a close-up on it again. You can also tell a little bit of detail here. They got the Gerber logo on the pivot. These are nice little frame locks. So for those of you that are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do these reviews pretty much weekly. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. You won't be disappointed. We do reviews, giveaways, and a weekly show that I have my sidekick there. She's kind of funny sometimes. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.